story all about how my teaching got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a second, just sit right there while we teach you about force and motion in the atmosphere. In West Palm Beach at PBA, Janelle, Emily, and Ashley, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, teaching the students science at school when a couple of students didn't understand motion. So we all came up with the perfect musical potion. So listen real close as you learn about force. If you don't, you might have to retake this course. Let's start out with what is a force pulled straight out of your textbook as a source. It's a push or pull exerted by one object on another, causing a motion when you push your brother. But let's get a little bit more detailed. There's different types of forces to be unveiled. Our forces are either contact or not. They're not the same, and that's a fact. Okay, let me continue unwrapping, but I just want you to understand so I'm not jibber-jabbing. Now I'll explain the terms, and Emily and Janelle will give you examples to learn. Work is a force applied to an object, causing it to move. So this is what happens when your body wants to groove. Watch as Emily does grass angels up and down. She is doing work that applies forces to the ground. Contact is a force with direct touch. The touch doesn't take very much. Normal, friction, tension, and spring, they make up contact forces in motion. This is what I sing. Normal force is the easiest force. It's what happens when an object pushes against the contact force. So watch as they push up against the tree. The force pushes back, as you can see. Friction is the force that opposes the motion. Now watch the example Emily has chosen. She rides a longboard along the floor. It slows to a stop as the wheels cause friction like a war. Spring force is a force that resists the stretching and squeezing. Look at the spring, it's really pleasing. It resists the stretching as it goes up and down, allowing the ink to be written down. Next we have tension, which resists the stretching. So this is like a dog pulling the rope during fetching. Watch as Janelle tries to fly this kite as the tension builds up when she stretches the string too tight. Next we have opposite category of force called non-contact. It covers gravitational, electric, and magnetic impact. It's a push or pull on an object without direct touch. That, although, doesn't take much. Gravitational holds you down on Earth. You've experienced it since birth. Gravity is a force of actions between two objects. It's due to the mass, so let's get on with this project. Watch us drop the ball as it falls to the ground. It's because it is gravity bound. Another contact force is magnetic. It attracts opposite forces. It's energetic. Watch as Emily holds the magnet above the metals. The force attracts and they don't repel.